Just what are the pluses of SpectraWash Plus? For over 20 years, PDQ has been dedicated to becoming your lifetime investment partner. One example of this dedication is SpectraWash Plus, complete touch-free, hybrid, and light-touch conveyorized tunnel systems, plus a whole lot more. Just what are the pluses of SpectraWash Plus? SpectraWash Plus offers durable, high-quality tunnel components, plus our advanced Access Customer Management System, plus entry gate and loader, plus the best dryer on the market, plus the only integrated wash access loyalty system and site management system, plus our exclusive network of distributors offering operators world-class service and support to keep their system and their business running smoothly. SpectraWash Plus provides you with all the tools to manage every aspect of your wash business. Access Traffic Management System combines PDQ's Access Customer Management System with Access Gate and Loading System to give you faster vehicle loading, increased number of vehicles processed, eliminate the need for cash handling attendants, advanced interfacing with customers, including multimedia messages and instructions. Plus, Access offers unique features such as bill dispensing, multiple payment options, and several different POS systems to fit your needs. PDQ's Access POS systems enable you to maximize vehicle wash sales by providing additional purchase locations at the pump, at the register, or even at the dry cleaners. The heart of any tunnel operation is the wash equipment. SpectraWash Plus equipment is the most durable, quality equipment in the industry. Available in completely touch-free, completely light touch, or a hybrid system in any length from 60 to 90 feet based on your specific needs. The touch-free line incorporates many new and redesigned PDQ components and MaxAir drying system. The SpectraWash Plus hybrid line utilizes components from both the touch-free and light touch lines. The new light touch line utilizes all touch components to clean the vehicle. Components in these systems include the new SpectraWash Plus top brush and side wrap wash systems. The most visible result to the consumer's wash experience is how dry the vehicle is following the wash services and how many water droplets are left to create spots. MaxAir dries vehicles better than ever, yet uses less energy than conventional dryers. SpectraWash Plus offers you the full spectrum of high-quality products, parts, and components to complete your tunnel system. SpectraWash Plus's complete system doesn't stop at the wash. The Wash Access Loyalty System, or WALS, is a software enhancement that works with your Access Customer Management System. WALS lets you build flexible loyalty and marketing programs to keep you in contact with your customers. Plus, you can implement and manage your loyalty programs securely over the Internet with a standard web browser. PDQ's Site Management System is a software enhancement that works with your Access Entry Unit, giving you real-time sales and performance data 24/7. Check performance of your site or sites anytime from anywhere through your standard Internet browser. Your SpectraWash Plus system is backed by PDQ's international distributor network. From pre-planning to construction to installation and ongoing technical service, your distributor is committed to working with you to make sure your tunnel system best fits your needs and those of your customers. Add up the pluses of SpectraWash Plus for yourself. Then give us a call or visit our website to find the SpectraWash Plus distributor nearest you.